You don't need to beg anyone for prompt again. I'll show you how to generate unlimited prompts every single day. If you want prompts daily, you need just 3 things, which are your ideas, a simple formula, and AI to multiply everything. Once you combine these 3 things, you will never run out of AI generated photos. This is the easiest way. Go to any AI like ChatGPT or Gemini and type, "Give me 20 AI image prompts about luxury lifestyle, African food or relationship or fashion lifestyle or even birthday photo shoot," and boom, you will instantly get multiple prompts you can use for days. Don't think too hard. Let AI do the work for you. Let me show you a simple trick smart creators use. You can turn one idea into many prompts. Like example is, if you generate a prompt for African woman, you can turn it into African woman cooking, African woman in luxury house, African woman at market, African woman in wedding dress, African woman in village setting. All right? In this way, you are turning one idea into different scenes, and that's unlimited photos. So stop wasting prompts. Anytime you see a good image online, screenshot it and send it to ChatGPT or Gemini, or you can even describe it, after which they will give you a prompt that you will save. Then you can create a note on your phone called prompt. In a week, you will have over 50 prompts ready to use anytime. Another trick is, you can go to TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. See what kind of images are going viral. Then you can tell the AI to create prompts similar to this style. You are not just guessing anymore. You are copying what already works. Let me make it easy for you. Every day, ask AI for 10 prompts. Pick 1 to 2. Generate images and post, and that's it. Consistency beats perfection. Lastly, you can use Pinterest by downloading any image you like from there. Then take it to any AI tools of your choice. Ask the AI to give you prompt for this image, after which you copy the prompt you are given and save it for later use. If you want me to drop 50 ready to use prompt for free, comment prompt, I'll send it to you.